Alrighty guys, what is up? So today's video is going to be a little bit different. We're actually going to be doing an unboxing on a Canon Rebel T7. We picked this up for about $400 at Walmart. You can get them online at Amazon. I will have some affiliate links down below. But the main thing I wanted to do is, I haven't opened it yet. I wanted to do an unboxing on it to kind of show you guys what it's all about, and as well as showcase the new Canon software that allows you to use your Canon cameras, your DSLR cameras, as a webcam. So we're gonna go ahead and jump into the actual unboxing of it and show you guys what's inside. Alrighty guys, so we're gonna go ahead, let's open up the box. First thing you see when you open it is just gonna be your registration pieces, your user's guide and everything like that. It also does come with a neck strap, but for the purpose of me using this camera for a streaming camera slash just recording camera, it's not necessarily going to be useful. But if you want to use it for photography, it is a great camera for that as well. But we're not going to use that, so we're just going to toss it off to the side. But taking a look in the box, looks like right there, and it's all nicely packaged. Looks like we've got a battery right here for it, which is nice. And then as well, looks like right here is the lens. It's an 18 to 55 millimeter lens. It's just the stock one that comes with it. There's many others. There's actually a couple packages as well that allow for you to actually get a couple different lenses. But this will just be the basic one we'll be kind of using for now. Got everything you need on here for you just to kind of start. But also as well, we'll set that off to the side now and pull this back over. Looks like we do have the battery charger as well, which is nice. Looks like it's got the built-in AC outlet, so you don't have to run any cords. You can just plug straight into the wall, which will be super useful. And then as well, we'll kind of get to the main portion of it all. Let's go ahead and pop her on out of here. And I think that's everything in the box, so we're just gonna move it off to the side now. And our first, taking a look at it, it feels really good, in the hand. As far as your grip, everything, it does have this nice little textured grip right there, kind of like a rubber grip right there. That is really nice. It does have a really good, feel to it when you're holding it. It does have the slot down here for your battery, your SD card. And then as well, right here, it does have a slot for your HDMI out, just your regular plug-in, as well as an external microphone if you're wanting to set it up that way. But taking a look at it, kind of first looks again, I really like the feel of it. It's actually really light for how it is, how big it is and how nice this is. It's actually really nice, and I really do appreciate that, what they've done with that. But realistically with it, I really do like this. But the main purpose of this video is obviously to show you guys basically unboxing it, and then as well as being able to show you guys how to use Canon's new software, the Webcam utility. It was released a couple weeks ago. Right now it currently is in beta, but you still are able to use it on Mac and Windows. So we're going to go ahead, we're actually going to jump over to the laptop now and show you guys how to get that installed and how to set that up. Alrighty guys, so now that we're in Streamlabs OBS, you can use OBS as well. Either one would work just as fine. We're going to need to go ahead and actually get this installed on your computer or your laptop, whatever you're. So let's go ahead and jump over to Canon's website. I will drop a link for that in the description below, so you guys can just get there. And we see it's going to pull up your webcam utility beta. You can scroll down and you can see these are the models that they have available for you. As of right now, obviously with this software just coming out a couple weeks ago, they will be releasing more, obviously. But for the case of this, we're going to go to the EOS Rebel T7. Any camera you have on here will work. And then you'll scroll down the first driver, you'll see EOS Webcam Utility Beta for Windows 0.9.0. So still in beta. Anyways, just go to select and it will start downloading it right here. And then you can just click on it, open it, and download it that way. And once that's done downloading, you're then able to restart your computer, and it's in your computer and you're good to go. So now we're going to jump back over to OBS, and now that we're over here, we obviously need to add that in. So let's go to add your source. We'll go with a video capture device, add source. You can name it whatever you'd like. I'm just going to name it Canon camera. Then we'll be going to add source. The first option is going to pop up is your standard camera. Obviously, my laptop is a little slow, but so we're going to go down, click on this drop down, and the first option you see is EOS Webcam Utility Beta. So you're going to go ahead and click on that. It does take a second to load, just where this is software still is in beta. But we go, you hear the camera click, and we are now good. It will now transfer over. So we are now using the camera instead of the webcam. So we are then able just to click done. And after that, you have your camera all set up. Obviously, you'll need to focus your lens and stuff like that. This is just for a quick tutorial to show you guys how to set it up where the software is so new. But anyways, that's really all there is to it. Again, we're working with the Rebel T7 today. I really do like it. It's been a great camera so far. It's got a nice feel to it. I probably will look at getting a different lens eventually, but this is just the lens that comes with it standardly, just an 18 to 55 millimeter lens. But that's really all there is to it, guys. If you have any questions or comments, make sure to drop them below. And as well, you guys, if you guys are new to the channel, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe as well. I am going to start trying to post more how-tos as far as like how I set up my videos and stuff like that. But really, guys, that's all there is to it. It's pretty simple to get all set up. So again, thank you guys so much for watching. And again, if you are new, make sure to subscribe for more content. And as always, we'll catch you guys in the next one.